Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking the BYD Sealion 6 with us back to Metro Manila from Tagaytay. This is the second video featuring the Sealion 6, the first one being that of a quiet POV drive on the way to Tagaytay. The drive back always feels different. The roads open up a little more, the pace becomes steadier, and you start to notice how a car carries itself over distance, not just in short bursts. The route now becomes more intentional. I specifically chose to pass the expressways on the way back. One of the things I immediately appreciate about the Sealion 6 is its power. With around 215 horsepower and 325 newton meters of torque, it never feels strained. Even fully loaded, it moves with ease. On this return trip, there were 5 of us on board, plus a full trunk. Each passenger brought a maleta, and yet the car never felt weighted down. Acceleration remained confident, especially when overtaking or building speed back up on the highway. The steering is light. Some drivers may want more feedback through the wheel, but for a long drive like this, it makes the Sealion 6 easy and relaxing to place on the road. What really stands out is how solid everything feels. There are no plastic sounds, no creaks or crunches over bumps. NVH is genuinely one of the Sealion 6's strongest points. In EV-only mode, the car feels like it's simply gliding, almost floating over the pavement. Even when the engine is running, the cabin stays quiet. Engine noise is barely noticeable. I got the chance to try out the Sealion 6's adaptive cruise control, and as someone who dailies at Toyota Rays, the feeling the first time trying it was somewhat alien. However, it works. The car is able to maintain its speed and slow down on its own without any input from me. I was not quite comfortable having it fully in control when the road curved. Considering I had 4 passengers with me, I chose to take over. But big props to BYD for what feels like a really smooth and functional adaptive cruise control. There have been mentions online about the Sealion 6's wipers not gliding smoothly across the windshield. With the unit I rented, that wasn't an issue at all, which was honestly a relief. I also really enjoyed the ambient lighting. It's subtle, but still visible even during the daytime. I didn't get to explore all the modes, but syncing it to the music added a nice layer to the experience. The driver's seat is comfortable with good support and bolstering. After about 2 hours behind the wheel, I won't pretend I wasn't a bit fatigued, but the comfort definitely helped make the drive manageable. My passengers in the back were also impressed. One comment that stuck with me was how the cushioning felt high-end, soft yet supportive at the same time. This isn't really a full on review, it's simply a drive and one that I genuinely enjoyed. I don't have any regrets choosing the Sealion 6 as my rental for this trip. From here, I'll let the road, the sound, and the journey take over.
200 meters, turn right.